Yeah. Me. What today? Taylor. Shall we can live the truth? Oh no. I'm so miss. Shall we can live the truth? Like matching candle. Guys, I in at the store for over an hour. I'm just coming and sweaty just to get some battery and candle and something there, flashlight and one battery fan and a zapper. Gosh, the weather it'll get dimmy and breezy, very breezy and dim. And see, you know, on the cloud. So the place look overcast, very overcast, and it breezy, guys. I leave my house from 8 o'clock, you know. I'm there at the bank for hour and hard. Over 1 hour and about 30 minutes I'm there at the bank. The bank home at 8:30. I'm gonna reach after 8. Still take me that much because the place is full. I from this and come here. So go pharmacy, come still not feel good. I have the flu from last week, so I'm gonna get some stuff at the pharmacy. And then come here, so gosh, it's crazy. Every line everywhere full. And it's been this way since yesterday. Because everywhere is supposed to close at 12 o'clock today. So may I try to go to the supermarket now. I go supermarket Saturday. But may I go back and get a few things. Just a few more things. So, and the eat and everything. And the long standing make me not feeling well. Really not feeling well. So, may I try to hurry up and go up now. I'm going to show you the line, the machine line. I try to show you the machine line behind me now. So, when them all go through, it's very breezy, guys. Very breezy. Good thing somebody can walk. When I'm back a person can not this that breezy, you know. The weather change, you can definitely feel it. Get very breezy. Was this breezy when I come out this morning? Yeah. As you can see, dim and breezy. Ooh. So guys, it actually come in. I was just outside securing the Beryl them. But as you can see, Hurricane Beryl is actually here now. So I didn't get never get the top back too long yesterday. Ooh, try to lock up this now and secure it as much as I can. Never give it top back too long yesterday when I reach home because I have so much things to do. So wake up this morning, we have a lot of heavy beats last night. I'll see one of the barrel them that I leave empty. It was down in the yard, so I need me go back go try to secure with the other barrel them that have water. May lock up here so now. Oh shoot. So come back. Yeah. Oh, very busy. Ooh.